Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the second tutorial for Bootstrap for beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is Bootstrap for layout and first web page creation with Bootstrap 4. What we discuss on today? Bootstrap for layout and first web page creation with Bootstrap 4. How to create a web page with Bootstrap 4? I will clearly explain each and everything step by step with coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and PHP also. Digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM, complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials for the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail and mobile also. Sorry, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today? Bootstrap 4 layout and a first web page creation with Bootstrap 4. This is the second tutorial for Bootstrap 4 beginners. Each and everything step by step I will explain. Here just I am create a file. I am not write anything. Here I am write HTML language en. Next here I am write head title. Okay, title SHS Tech Solutions. Next here I am write body. Okay, this is the basic HTML structure. Here I am write doctype HTML and HTML language en. What is the use of doctype HTML and what is the use of HTML language en? Why we write the doctype HTML and the language en? I am explain. Bootstrap 4 uses HTML elements and CSS properties. Bootstrap 4 uses Bootstrap 4 uses HTML elements and CSS properties that require the HTML5 doctype. Bootstrap 4 uses HTML elements and CSS properties that require the HTML5 doctype. Always we include HTML5 doctype at the beginning of the page. Always we include HTML5 doctype is the beginning of the web page. Next, beginning of the page along with the language attribute also. Language attribute and the character set also. I will write next character set. Meta character set UTF-8. Okay. Meta character set also. Next, I will write the mobile first device. Next, meta name equal to viewport. Meta name equal to viewport. Content equal to device width. Equal to device width. Initial script 1. Okay. Next, I will call the libraries. Link relation, style sheet. Link relation, style sheet. Href. Bootstrap from CSS, Bootstrap min.css. Add extra CSS. Okay. Next one, script source from Bootstrap JS, Bootstrap jQuery min.js. Script source script, source, Bootstrap, Bootstrap.js, Bootstrap.js. Okay. What is the use of meta name equal to viewport, content width equal to device width, initial scale? I will explain. Bootstrap 4 is the mobile first. Bootstrap 4 is the mobile first approach. Bootstrap 4 is designed to be responsive to mobile devices. Bootstrap 4 is designed to be responsive to mobile devices. Mobile first styles are part of the core work. Sorry. Mobile first styles are part of the core work. To ensure proper rendering and touch zooming and the following meta tag inside the head. To ensure proper rendering and touch zooming, add the following meta tag inside the head element. The width equal to device width. The width equal to device width. Width equal to device width. Device width of the page to follow the screen width of the device. Width equal to device width part sets the width of the page to follow the screen width of the device, which will vary depending on the device. Next one is the initial scale equal to 1. Initial scale equal to 1 is part sets the initial zoom level when the page is loaded by the browser. Next one is containers. Here, next I am writing the containers. Bootstrap do class container. Do class equal to container. H1. SHS exhibitions. Break. Bootstrap for layout and first web creation with Bootstrap. Next one is the H2. Sorry. The first web page creation. With Bootstrap 4. With Bootstrap 4. This is the container class. This is the container class. This is the container class. Also check the output. This is the output. Next, I will write here style dot container background color dark slate blue color white padding 100 pixel padding bottom 100 pixel okay, so check the output. This is the output. Next here align center. Align center. Next paste align center. This is the container class. Next, suppose I write container fluid. Container fluid. What is the difference between the container and a container fluid? Container fluid is the full width of the web page. Container fluid is the full width of the web page. Container is the pixel width of the web page. I will explain some description. Bootstrap 4 also requires a containing element to wrap site contents. Bootstrap 4 also requires a containing element to wrap site contents. There are two container classes to choose from. The first one is the container class. The first one is the container class provides a responsive pixel width container. Responsive pixel width container. And second one is the container fluid. Container fluid class provides a full width container spanning the entire width of the viewport. Spanning the entire width of the viewport. It is automatically responsive. Suppose you can write container. It is automatically responsive. It is fixable but responsive. Fixable but responsive. So guys, this is the Bootstrap layout. Bootstrap layout and first web page creation with Bootstrap 4. If you have any doubts or I hope we all understand how to create the first web page with Bootstrap 4 and what is the Bootstrap 4 layout. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provides all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and the digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also you can get directly notifications to your mobile and Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.